In this video, I will guide you on how to use and create videos using Gemini Omni. First, you want to launch open Google Gemini app, or you can open up any web browser and head over to gemini.google.com. Make sure to log into your account. You will have to sign into a paid Gemini subscription, as this feature is only available in certain paid Gemini plans. Free plans may not have access yet. Now you want to look at the left sidebar. Here, find the option of videos and click on that. Click on the Try Now option for Create Videos with Omni. Over here, you can type your own prompt, or as you can see, there are different ready-made templates. You can simply select whichever you want, then prompt your video. Now you can choose video format options such as YouTube format or TikTok vertical format. Then go ahead and send in your prompt. Now wait for some time until the video is generated. The AI can generate visual animations, voiceovers, motion graphics, short educational or cinematic clips. In this way, you can easily use and create videos using Gemini Omni. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.